sick, but you tear me to pieces.
Welcome back to the Moroccan Getaway. Today we leave the gorgeous Sahara Desert where we had a lot of our dreams come true. What a magnificent memory for the rest of our lives. But the journey continues. We still have so much more to see and do as we journey across Morocco. In today's video, we will be carpet buying and hookah smoking and journeying into the back country of Morocco.
Oh, where does it come from?
You're welcome.
Hi, babe. Okay, I think we have all bought enough scarves to last a lifetime, and we are headed off to our next stop. Travelers, if you've ever wanted something super unique and custom for your home, you are going to love this next stop. We head down underground into a quarry to see the magnificent marbles and fossils they pull out of this ancient underground sea here in Morocco.
Inside. The remote pass you will see here, all the region is a sea floor. Then after the door of the sea, that means the door of the lava flow from here to north of Morocco. It was the first Mediterranean sea. That is, the before continent separation. So everything life at the time, fish, animals, plants, etc. sit down at the bottom and crystallize. Namely by contribution of natural factors, high temperature, lack of oxygen, high pressure. We have rocks rich of different kind of organisms. According to scientific research done by geologists, these rocks refer back to 380 million years ago.
Oh my goodness.
To bottom, to go like this, back and forth, and going down automatically. Cutting 1 centimeter per hour.
Oh wow.
All time with water.
Oh my goodness.
Blades you can.
Yeah.
And we adjust the blades for any thickness measures you want. 2, 3, 4, 10, it depends on need. But 2 centimeter minimum for the thickness. It takes many shapes, many sizes. We have small, we have big, and it's a natural process from the sand dunes, no relation with fossils. Right. We have like this, and we have like the ones on the wall.
Oh. Yeah. Wow.
That was really cool. Thank you to the artisans and everyone at Marbre Marble for having us. I'll put their information in the description below. Wow. We're off again.
Yeah, that looks like it could be like northern India.
It is. I mean, it does. Is this like the old city?
Yes. Oh, on the map of it. Oh,
yeah. The scenery gets greener and greener as we leave the Sahara and head into the high Atlas. We just have one more rest stop, and then we hit the TODRA Gorge for 2 full nights. Beautiful day driving has got us to the Kashbah on the TODRA Gorge. It is so magnificent. We hike over the river to get there. So do the guys that carry our luggage. I will put a link to the Kashbah's name down below. They treated us like queens the entire time we were there. And the rooms were so clean and beautiful with hot showers. It's a beautiful location. If you ever get the chance to go, be sure to do it. Another fantastic dinner, another night to remember. Does anyone remember why we ended up drinking wine on the floor?
Good morning, everyone, from the TODRA Gorge in Morocco. This is our hotel. It's 8 a.m. I just got up to see how beautiful it looked out here this morning. Oh, there's a woman doing Tai Chi. How beautiful. There's our van. It's over there with all the other vans. One of the gals in the group is going to take a 4-hour hike to the top. They kept stressing how hard it was, so I decided not to go. And I'm going to go with the rest of the group, and we're going to hike down the river. And it's not as chilly as I thought it was going to be, because last night was a little chilly. And my daughter Jessica is on this trip with us, and we snuggled. You see the caves up there? Tons of caves in Berber. Yeah. This is just like an opening that goes down into the hotel. Oh no, I don't think I can get a picture. Let's see. Yeah, it's our rooms down there. All right, well, good morning from this gorgeous place. We can't wait to see how the day unfolds. You hear the doors? Oh, the doors are super heavy. They make a lot of noise when they shut. By day's end, we will be buying Berber rugs from Morocco. So excited for that. Oh yes, there's some of the hikers. Susan. I guess Susan has decided to go on the hike. All right, let's run down there and check it out. I'm gonna grab laundry on the way. Good morning.
We grab breakfast, don our backpacks, and head off for a hike of our own.
I see our room from here.
Oh yeah! It's that last back one, right? Is it in the gray part or the orange? Yeah. It's the new construction. Yeah. Yeah, you guys have a great view.
Yeah. Yes.
Are we in Sedona? No, we're in Morocco. This does look a lot like Sedona. We're taking a little walk this morning along the river. All those date palms behind us. We've seen walnut trees, pomegranate trees, all kinds, but here's some old buildings behind us. This is the TODRA Gorge.
Little caves up there, but getting
Oh yeah. Thank you, Nicole. Meanwhile, Karen and Susan and the group they are with have hiked to the top of the TODRA Gorge, where they are met by a local Berber community that serves them mint tea. This is the type of situation we experience time and again as we travel all through Morocco, which really just makes it so beautiful and special.
The Berber houses are Nadi houses. Can you see the clay?
Yes.
Here. And of course construct their houses by using clay and rocks to build their houses. And they build a base first of all. Base, that means they put the rocks first as a base after they build their houses, right? By using the mixture between, the water and clay after they construct their houses. Why clay and rocks?
Because there's lots of clay and rocks.
Yeah, everywhere there is clay and rocks. But to clarify, because in the summertime the house is cool.
Yeah.
In the winter time is warm.
Yep.
It felt so great to get out and stretch our legs as we hiked along the river this morning into the village down to the TODRA Gorge. I don't want to look down, but just to be authentic. The ruins provided a great backdrop for a little quick photo shoot. We did end up meeting quite a few of the locals, and it was so fun. They really enjoyed meeting us as much as we enjoyed meeting them. Ahmed pointed out the really interesting things to see as we went along the way and taught us about the local customs. Yeah, get that on the chin. Right. And then if you get divorced, you get the dot.
You get like single and desperate tattoos.
We head closer into the little village, which is down at the bottom of the TODRA Gorge. Hi everyone, hey, we just stopped after our hike down the TODRA Gorge. I say it like that because that's the way our guide says it. And we just got an African cappuccino. Look how many sugars he gave.
Hello, Gazus.
Look at you. I think I'll just take one. I love having cappuccino on vacation. Completely refreshed, we head off to finish our hike at the bottom of the TODRA Gorge. We get our first glimpse of some of the authentic Berber rugs, meet some Berber people who let us take their picture. Of course, we compensate them for that. Some of the artisans are so cute, we just fall in love. They want to take pictures with us, but here it is, folks, the picture we all fell in love with the most. Desiree asked him for a picture right when his horse bucked like that, and wow, we were all just like, oh my gosh, you better share that. Luckily, our van came and picked us up. We don't have to hike back. That was a great hike. For those of us that don't want to hike up to the very tippy top.
That was perfect.
A quick stop at the hotel for a delightful lunch and getting a bit refreshed, and then we head out again to check out those Berber rugs deep in the village at the Carpet Co-op. There we are greeted with refreshing mint tea and an education in Moroccan Berber rugs. And the girls get to try their hand at it themselves.
Because right here, no.
Ladies, get your wallets ready because the real show is about to begin. I've been to Morocco once before. I have been saving for this moment, so I am ready to purchase. I have a new house and I cannot wait to get a Moroccan rug.
Awesome.
What color is brown?
Brown is mascara and a lot of vinegar.
Oh.
And please that one, we don't cut that, please flan. When you put the cut cactus carpet, never sleepy.
Oh, right. Okay.
For bed cover, no problem, easy to wash, easy to clean, easy to dry.
Oh, it's soft.
Softer.
See, agave, remember how they do the stories?
Yeah.
Interesting.
That is interesting, isn't it? Oh.
I think most of us made selections and after bartering came to deals, and I fell in love with my new rugs, and it was just so fun shopping with the locals. I can't even tell you how great it was. They shipped them home too. There they are. We were all feeling a little giddy and teasing with each other on the way home, and then when we got back, a few of us snuck away for our first taste of hookah. It wouldn't be our last though. That night after dinner, everyone got to try the hookah. I hope I always remember this beautiful view from my bed at the TODRA Gorge where I bought my Moroccan rugs. We head down to breakfast after packing up, say goodbye to a couple of friends. Us leaders are feeling pretty good about our fantastic time here at the Gorge. The poor porters haul up all of our luggage, pack us up, and send us on our next adventure here in Morocco. If you ever go, don't forget the TODRA Gorge. Bye-bye, guys. And then about a week later, my treasure from Morocco arrives via DHL, my gorgeous Berber rugs. Probably the most beautiful thing I have ever brought back from any of my travels. I'm absolutely thrilled to have them in my new house. Next time on the Moroccan Getaway, Ahmed surprises us with a stop at his family home where his mother cooks us a homemade goat head tagine. It was spectacular. And then we ditch the van, grab the necessities, and start hiking up to the high Atlas. We're a little late because of our special stop, and the moon comes up and we cross a few rivers just by moonlight. It was magnificent. We reached the gîte just in time for dinner. I end up having a really fantastic time there, hiking all the way to the top of the high Atlas. We have a truly authentic hammam. I can't wait to share it all with you. Bon voyage! Now would be a great time to give us a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you know when the next video comes up. Talk to you soon.